Today you will learn how to scale stroke in Adobe Illustrator. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. For example, you have a shape like this in Adobe Illustrator and you want to scale down this shape to look like this shape. Let me create a duplicate of this shape to explain you more clearly. By default, if I scale down this shape, it should look like this after scaling down. But you can see that both shapes has same stroke of 20 point, which is not okay according to proportion. Let me create a duplicate of this rectangle. If you scale down this shape should look like this. Same happened with the text. If I scale down the text, you can see the stroke is not looking perfect. Instead, it is changing the shape overview. The solution is go to Edit, Preferences, General. You can also press Ctrl K. This preferences box will appear. Here checkmark this scale, stroke and effect option. By default, this option is unchecked. Therefore, Illustrator keeps the stroke size same while scaling the shape. After turning on this option, Illustrator will automatically scale the strokes according to shape scaling. Click OK. Let me delete these shapes. Now I am creating duplicate by pressing Alt key and dragging the cursor. Now if I scale down this shape, you can see the stroke of the shape is also scaling down accordingly. At this time, our shape has a stroke of around 4 point. If I scale up this image, the stroke is around 27 point, while our original shape has a stroke of 20 point. So now the stroke is changing according to proportion. If I copy this rectangle and scale down, you can see this is the perfect scaling. Same case in the text, you can see the stroke is according to proportion. Sometimes you have to uncheck that scale, stroke and effect option in preferences panel, but most of the time you have to enable that option. So I hope you have learned how to scale strokes and effects in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting design tutorials. See you in the next video.